everyone. It's been a while, but I've come back to see you all. I hope you're all doing well and keeping safe. Now, I'm doing something a little bit different. Sometimes it's not always sunny and you can't always play outside. So, what I've been doing is I've got this bucket from our spare room and I filled it up with things. And we're going to use our imagination. We could maybe make something. But we'll see what's in the box. Yeah. Oh, what have we got? Oh, looks very tropical. Something I could rest my head on. It sounds interesting. We've got our favourite Ted, Bill. Hello, Bill. Do you want to say hello? Hello. Oh, he's come to join us. And we've got some. What are these? Yeah. When you go on holiday and you go swimming. Our goggles or snorkels. A couple of them. Won't know what they are. Glasses. Oh yes. So it might be sunny in our house. Because I might make this house into something that is to do with the box. So we've got sunglasses. Oh, watch Bill, I'll put you there. Then we've got some, what's this? It's like material or a blanket. What could this be? What colour is it? Yes, it's blue. Think of something that we could use that's blue. And we've got another blanket. Boo! What could this be used for? And what's the colour? What do you know that's like a yellow colour? Well, I've got all my props out of my prop box. What could we make? What could we do? It's not very sunny today, so we could bring something inside and make us happy. As I know the sun always makes everyone happy. Have you had a guess? Yes, I'm going to make a beach. Who needs to go to the beach? We've got our beach in the house. Let's get started. Right, I'll move these out the way. This could be our, what's got big waves and we jump in them and we sometimes swim. Yes, our sea. There's our sea. I'll move it along so we can all see it. And what could we do here? It's going to be our sand. Oh, look at this. So there's our sand and there's our sea. And we can run into the sea and jump the waves. And we'll put Bill, because he loves making sand castles and digging in the sand. So we'll put Bill there. And I'll let him lend one of my sunglasses. So there you go, Bill. Put your sunglasses on. Then we've got our lovely headrest in case we want to have a lie down and have a few little winks, go to sleep on the beach and just chill. Because it's lovely and relaxing, isn't it, on our beach? And we've got our snorkels, our goggles, and we're going to put them on and we can go swimming. And then we can look for the fish and see what we can see under the sea. That's very exciting. But you know, before we do all that and have our lovely play, and you can bring different teddies in and different things that you've got in your house and make your own beach That would be fun, wouldn't it? But I thought we need to wake ourselves up. And what will we do? Our wake up, shake up. But I thought we'd find one that is about the beach or about the sea. And this one's about a fish. So we'll get started, get warmed up, and then you're ready to relax and chill like Bob. Oh no, not Bob, Bill. And we're ready to chill like Bill. So we'll put the music on, we'll get started. We're ready. Hello fish. All ready? Song. That's got me really warmed up and I'm ready to have a little chill on the beach, have a little drink and an ice cream with Bill. Hope to see you very soon and keep safe everyone. Bye.